In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client in QuickBooks Online Accountant. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. Once you're logged in, look for the Clients menu. This is where you'll manage all the businesses and individuals you work with. Go ahead and click on Clients, and you'll see a list of any existing clients in your practice. To add a new one, look for the Add Client button, usually near the top of the screen, and click it. QuickBooks will immediately ask you to choose whether this new client is a business or an individual. Pick the option that best fits how you work with them. For example, a company, partnership, or nonprofit would usually be set up as a business, while a freelancer or sole trader might be added as an individual. This choice helps QuickBooks organize information correctly from the start. Next, you'll enter the client's details. Start with the required fields, such as the business name or individual name, their email address, and the display name you want to see in your client list. The display name can be a shortened or more recognizable version, so it's easy for you and your team to identify at a glance. Below that, you'll see optional fields where you can add extra information, like a phone number, website, and address. While these are not mandatory, filling them in now can save time later when you need to contact the client, send forms, or keep their records organized. The more complete the profile, the smoother your workflow will be. After entering the basic details, scroll to the Products section. Here, you'll decide what kind of QuickBooks access this client will have. You can select No Subscription if you're just tracking them in your practice without giving them their own QuickBooks Online company. Alternatively, you can choose a specific QuickBooks Online subscription if you want to set up a new company file for them. If you create a new subscription, QuickBooks will ask you who will be billed and which plan to use. Take a moment to pick the billing method that matches your engagement with the client and choose the plan that fits their needs. One important note: if the client already has their own QuickBooks Online account, do not create a new subscription for them. Instead, they should invite you as their accountant from within their existing account, so everything stays in one place. Once you've reviewed all the information and you're happy with it, simply click Save. Your new client will now appear in your clients list, ready for you to start working with their books.